So before I rip this place apart, let me talk to you guys about what this guild is, what's happening, what should have happened. So there's a lot of cool trees behind here. But there's a few plants that we let kind of get out of hand. One of them being this Jamaican lilikoi. Little advice for you guys, try to keep your vines out of the center of your system because they become a freaking mess. So since we never took this vine out, all these weeds kind of harbored in there and kind of was able just to flow out of that section. The rest of the guild is pretty good and pretty clean, but since we didn't take that out, we kind of had a little cancer in the middle of the thing. So we're gonna rip it apart, rip that section out, take some of the other plants that are getting unruly, and clean it up. Dang, Shama. Impressive. Freddie pushing some Jamaicans up in the Gorka. Pile them in, chopping, dropping them. Hey! Look at that. Pulled that guy apart. Just getting the grasses out now. Making it clean, making it tight. It's gonna be beautiful. Just a few minutes. So this is the little schoolhouse that the food forest has inherited. This is gonna be our education facilities. Check this out.
Is it just all clean? I think so. I think it's just clean, yeah. No, it's been through a lot of transformation since you've seen it. It's great. It was in a
Check out our peach palm right here. She's looking bitchy. Ooh, majestic.
Arnold Peach Palma.